What are the common signs of a burst pipe?
Hello everyone! In today's video, we'll be discussing the common signs of a burst pipe. Recognizing these early can prevent more significant water damage and costly repairs, so let's dive in and find out what to watch out for. Remember, it's essential to act promptly if you suspect a pipe has burst.
Why should we be concerned?
A burst pipe can lead to significant water damage, mold growth, and even structural damage to your home. The longer it goes unnoticed, the more extensive and expensive the damage can be. That's why knowing the signs is crucial.
What are the visible signs?
1. Unexplained puddles or wet spots. If you notice mysterious puddles inside your home, especially in areas without a water source nearby, it might indicate a burst pipe. 2. Bulging walls or ceilings. Water accumulating behind walls or ceilings can cause them to bulge or sag. 3. Stains or discoloration. Dark or damp spots on walls, ceilings, or floors can be a telltale sign of water leakage.
What sounds or sensations can indicate a problem?
1. Unusual noises. If you hear a constant rushing or dripping sound even when all taps are off, it might be water escaping from a burst pipe. 2. A drop in water pressure. A sudden or unexplained drop in water pressure is often a sign that there's a significant leak somewhere in your plumbing system.
Are there any secondary signs?
1. Higher water bills. If your water bill suddenly spikes without a clear reason, it could be due to a hidden leak. 2. Foul smells. Stagnant water from a leak can result in musty odors. If you detect an unusual, persistent smell, it's time to investigate. 3. Mold growth. Moisture from a burst pipe creates the perfect environment for mold. If you notice mold spots or an increase in allergies, it could be a sign. There you have it. Those are the key signs that might indicate a burst pipe in your home. Always be vigilant, and if you suspect a problem, it's best to consult with a professional plumber as soon as possible. We hope this video has been enlightening, and remember, early detection is the key to preventing major water damage. Stay safe and take care.